Hi guys, I'm Paddy from windowanddoorparts.ie, and in this video I'm going to show you how to replace the spring cassettes in a door handle. Before I get started, I just want to point out that not every door handle will have these springs built into them, and it will depend on the door lock and the door handles themselves. For example, some door locks will have a spring built in internally that will keep the door handle up and doesn't require sprung door handles. So if your door handles are drooping down and don't have springs built in, then more than likely the spring inside the lock is broken. But do check your door handles. I've seen loads of door handles that are made to take these springs but don't have them fitted. Okay, so here's the door handle that's drooping down. Remove the two screws holding the handles. You can see there are spring cassettes installed in these handles and the centres of both of them are broken. This door has a thumb turn cylinder installed and will need to be removed to take the other handle off. Here you can see the centre of the spring cassettes more clearly. Slide the new cassette onto the handle spindle and refit back in the door. Slide the other spring cassette on the other side of the spindle. Refit the other handle. Refit the handle screws and hand tighten. Refit the cylinder and screw it into place. Tighten the handle screws fully. And that's it, job done. Please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.